Hi eBay, so this is the Invicta 8926 Pro Diver wristwatch that I'm selling. As you can see, it's an automatic mechanism, so no need for a battery. It has this rotating bezel. If I try hard, I can rotate it. It rotated. It has a small dent here, as you can see it fell, but it's in a good condition, so it doesn't really, you can see. And this is a genuine Invicta, so it has all of the imprints of their logo. You can see also here that it's a real Invicta. Had it for a couple of years. It works great. It has the date here. Of course, you can set it. Show you how it looks on my lovely hand here. One sec. Okay, this is it. Beautiful. Looks like a Rolex, not a Rolex. Great price. Buy it. Peace.